Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I'm going to show you how to draw a oil painting and how to mix the colors. So let's dive in the video, and before diving in I want to show you something. I bought this oil paint set of colors from Amazon and it cost me 700 to 800 and it's of Artist Company. So you can also buy this. I'll provide you the link in the description box. Go check out. And let's dive in the video, and like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon, and let's get started. So in this video I'm going to make a realistic painting out of only these three colors, and you can see in the camera it's vermilion hue and cobalt blue and chrome yellow. So out of these colors I'm mixing white and black also and making a painting. You can see further in my video how do I do it, and please watch this video till the end because it's going to be a very interesting video. Please share it to your friends also. So let's dive in. So here I am using a pencil and a kneaded eraser, a pair of brushes and oil paint set that I have told you earlier in the video. So firstly we'll draw the object. I'm drawing the lips with the help of pencil. And make sure you use a lighter pressure of your hand while drawing. After drawing, I am using kneaded eraser to dab on it to make it a lighter part. And now I am using three colors that you can see on my color palette. And the different colors which you are able to see are the colors which we'll gonna mix later. Firstly, I am mixing black and white to form a shade of grey for our teeth, and then I am applying by mixing crimson, black and red. I am applying on the darker shades of tongue and lips. So for this painting I have used different types of shades of colors, as you can see on my color palette. By mixing crimson and white, I have made this tone. And also you can use linseed oil or turpentine as you are comfortable in using. A little bit of it I have used in this. And now I have formed orange color by mixing red and yellow, and I am applying on the part of tongue. After applying all the colors on the tongue and lips, we're gonna mix it with the help of brush. Now in that color only I have mixed a tinge of orange in the pink color, as you can see here. And now we'll use red color, purely red color, on the top of the lips and tongue. It's not necessary to use darker shades and apply darker shades firstly. It's as much comfortable as you feel with. You can use any color of your choice firstly. And now I'm applying the red color. A lighter shade of pink is applied to the tongue. And also it's not necessary that you have to put on the colors on the palette first, because it makes me easier to apply the colors when I take all the colors on my palette before applying it to my drawing. So it's having tinges of many colors, as you can see: grey shade, pink, black, and by mixing red and black, crimson shade is here, and brown. So by applying all these colors, we have this part of our painting. And now I am mixing it with a light pressure of my hand.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it
And applying colors onto it, and at last I'm giving the highlight of white, and now mixing it again to give it a realistic look and 3D look. And now, as you can see, I'm applying pure red color on the lips.
burning the bridge that keeps us.
And after applying, I'm mixing it. Now the pink shade.
The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all, standing tall. Fear I weighed the person you are. Oh,
A little bit of orange tinge you can see in the red color.
spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
And the leftover part, which was seen earlier in my painting, that white color has been covered up with a little bit of pink color, and mixing white color onto it. And all the colors are fully applied to my painting in the strokes technique.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've
And now it's ready to mix. Make sure when you mix the colors, you don't use a harsh brush, because it will look and give an unnecessary brush strokes on your painting, and it will not look good.
when I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live, I want.
So now by forming a grey color, I'm applying it.
Freak out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
So now it's completed, as you can see. Let me know in the comment section if you like this painting or not. So if you are wondering that the painting I have shown in this clip is this one, yeah, it's true, is this one only. And please like this video and let me know in the comment section if you like this video or not, and please let me know if you like my work also or not. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, stay safe.